Hey Blockchain Visionaries, it's George Levy. I want to take a moment to invite you to a brand new course I've just published called The Basics of Bitcoin, Cryptocurrency, and NFTs. This is a very valuable course and it's available for free. So I want to make this invitation for you so you can actually take advantage of this course I've just published in collaboration with Joan Amengual. It's a very valuable course and it's available for free. So I want to give you the opportunity to be able to go to the course. Simply look at the description below and you'll find the link in which you can register to the course. Also, if you want to share it with your friends and want to tell other people about how they can learn about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and NFTs, this is the perfect opportunity to spread the word and bring more people into Bitcoin, crypto, and NFTs. So this course is very, very valuable because we've actually created it to be very easy to understand regardless of your level of expertise. It's actually structured where you can actually learn in 1, 2, 3 about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and non-fungible tokens. Very valuable course, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course. So simply go to the description below, you'll find the link, and if you want, simply click, sign in, and I'll see you inside the course. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you in the course.